Right now, the economic sentiment score sits at -0.04, which is a notable dip compared to the historical baseline. This isn't just a minor fluctuation, it suggests growing unease among consumers, particularly given the momentum at +0.38. You'll want to pay attention to this divergence, especially with 17 semantic clusters indicating where this sentiment is coming from. Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis, giving you the ability to dissect these clusters and understand the underlying drivers of the sentiment shift. Imagine integrating this data into your application to dynamically adjust marketing strategies or investment decisions based on real-time consumer sentiment. For more on how to leverage this insight, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Unlock the potential of sentiment data to inform your next move.